So if you clicked on this video, we got you good. I'm just kidding. So we want to do something different and kind of take it back to the grassroots. So we did not bring the rig out tonight. We just brought out Old Trusty. Flatbed trailer and a pickup truck. And some ramps. I don't know why, like we just kind of had the idea, let's just try to do something super simple. Like the rig is no joke. Packing the semi up, driving it down here, it's expensive, it's time consuming.
It's a lot of work.
Yeah, and we're like, we really just mainly wanted to use the missile car tonight anyways. We brought like pretty much nothing. So we got a couple sets of tires, no tire machine, that's okay. A couple gallons of fuel. We got, yeah, so we got, where's the toolbox, Jamo?
Hang on. Right here. So a toolbox.
Nice, dude. And then cameras and a cooler. So just keeping it simple. So yeah, we're just gonna have some fun tonight. Keep things simple, do something different.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Boys, we are all set up. That was like, took us like 25 minutes. Usually we show up at like 4 o'clock and then track's not hot till 6:30. We literally give ourselves like 2.5 hours to get like everything unpacked. And today we showed up, I think at 6, and it's been like 25 minutes. We're set up. We're ready to rip. Woo! What up?
Because you know what you're doing, obviously.
Yeah.
2 things. Are you intermediate or advanced?
Advanced.
Advanced, cool. Are you intermediate or advanced?
Advanced. Dude, that was so much freaking fun. I like giving her everything I got to keep up with everybody, which is ripping. I'm like cutting corners and doing like anything I can just to stick proximity, but it's such a good challenge. I know I had high power cars forever, but I really recommend a low power car, guys. It's so good.
Hearing you through, you're just like, ah!
Dude, so my man comes over and he's like, I made you guys runs. Look at this. They're the logo. One's reversal. So you got mirror image in the colors too. I was just telling him, I think that's like the first like gift we've ever gotten. This is insane. So thank you
so much, honestly.
Yeah,
thank
no,
you.
Thank you.
Thank you. What do you?
Drop your Instagram, man.
I don't even have one, honestly. I don't even have one. I should.
Got anything we can promote, we'll do it.
I don't.
If he starts making them more, he'll hit us up and we'll give you guys a link so you guys can order your own. But these are freaking sick. Yo, are you going 3? Can I go 4?
you guys got flashlights out.
My brake line just broke somehow. I don't even know.
Wait. Dude, say that again.
My brake light broke. Or brake line.
Well, that was a freaking fun ass night. Like, what do you think, Aaron? That was a good time.
I wish I didn't lose your GoPro.
Yeah, Aaron lost the GoPro, and I honestly don't know if it's his fault, but he was the one that mounted it on there. That's probably why he's always afraid to mount it on there. But you had some weird...
No, I hate GoPros. I hate them.
You had some weird like you had like 3 different mounts going on it. So yeah, I don't know. One of them took the L. Hopefully we can find it, and that footage will be on here. But this car was mint all night. I think it was fun. It was fun keeping it simple too. What did you think, James? No big rig, no...
I know, and we have one tiny problem, and we're like, well, we don't have nothing. Yeah, we're done. Time to go home.
That's funny. Matt's like, organize the camera stuff, get it ready. I'm like on the floor, like.
Okay, we'll go serious for a second. Like my final thoughts, like, you guys don't need a huge semi. If you have multiple cars and you're trying to compete or do this and that, then that's a different story. But to just go out and have fun, like I wanted to street drive this car, but it's not street legal. But you could literally, you can drive a car to the track. That stuff is still relevant, especially when you have a lower horsepower, just simple build. Like keep it simple, get out and drive. That was kind of the move for tonight. And no, the semi's not gone. We still got it. I just clickbait the out of you guys. All right, guys. Well, I appreciate all of you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Check out all of their videos. And if you guys want to support us a little more, check out our merch as well at haugenracing.com. Peace out.
Subscribe to Haugen Racing.
Subscribe to Haugen Racing.